Welcome back Office Executives. In this particular video, I'll be discussing about function dialog box in Excel. So, this dialog box, that is function dialog box, it is a inbuilt feature in Excel in which Excel demonstrates that how to use or how Excel associates that function or how to use that function. There are two ways to opening a function dialog box. I'll be showing you the two of the methods. So let me open up Excel, and now suppose as we all know that there are several functions in the Excel. For instance, maybe equal to sum, and to autocomplete this function I'll be using tab from my keyboard, and I don't know how this sum function, how to use this function. So if I press Ctrl F from our keyboard, so this dialog box open up, and here it is adds all the numbers in a range of cells. So Excel tells the user that how to use this function. So that's one way to open a function dialog box, that is after auto completion of the function you can press Ctrl A, or maybe there is a function which I have heard of, ran between, but I'm not sure how to use this function. So instead of pressing Ctrl A, you can also click on this particular button Fx, and it opens up this particular dialog box, and here also returns a random number between the numbers you specify. So Excel guides you that how to use this function. So if I write here bottom value 23 and the top value as 98, and if I hit OK, so Excel generates a value. So that's function dialog box. In short, that Excel will guide you how to use a particular function, the definition to it, and that's the beauty of it. And there are two ways to opening it up. One is by either clicking Ctrl A, or by clicking on this Fx button. That's all for this video session. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.